corporation is a legal entity organized under state laws whose investors purchase shares of stocks as evidence of ownership in it. The advantages of a corporation. Number 1 is limited liability. In limited liability, the shareholders of a corporation are only liable up to the amount of their investments. The corporate entity shields them from any further liability, so their personal assets are protected. This means that the corporate loss will not exceed the amount invested in a partnership or limited liability. Another advantage of a corporation is source of capital. Source of capital. A publicly held corporation in particular can raise substantial amounts by selling shares or issuing bonds. Ownership transfer is the transfer of ownership. It is not especially difficult for a shareholder to sell shares of a corporation, though it is more difficult when the entity is privately held. There are some ways to transfer the ownership of a corporation. The first one is adding a partner. The operating agreement describes how partners can be taken on and how much the new partners will have to pay for ownership transfer. Second one is the sale of business. Then the lease purchase. And then the last one is family member transfer. A corporation has perpetual life, meaning that the corporation will continue to exist regardless of life or death of the shareholders of the corporation. So perpetual life is a great advantage of a corporation. Double taxation. Depending on the type of corporation, it may pay taxes on its income, after which shareholders pay taxes on any dividends received. So income can be taxed twice. Excessive tax filing. Depending on the kind of corporation, the various types of income and other taxes must be paid can require a substantial amount of paperwork. Independent management. If there are many investors having no clear majority interest, the management team of a corporation can operate the business without any real oversight from the owners. And that is all for the advantages and the disadvantages of a corporation.